Welcome back to our Azores adventure. In this episode, we are taking you on Enchanting Sete Cidades. Get ready to be amazed. Located in a beautiful São Miguel island, Sete Cidades is a place of breathtaking natural beauty. Subscribe my channel and enjoy this episode.
And then in the Azores, I was not prepared for the level of beauty that we encountered. There is a level of beauty that I've only experienced 2, maybe 3 times in my life that sort of leaves you physically sick, like ill. It's so beautiful that your body is the weak link. Like you might think that sugar is tasty, but if you were to eat a bag of sugar, you'd probably be sick to your stomach. And I would say this was like so much beauty that it was at an almost pathological level, and more than I think my family could really take in.
Hello, this is Michael and I am Christy. Today we are taking you for adventure to Sete Cidades, but not only that. We're gonna continue above the lake, show you a very cute village. We're gonna have another local dish at the lake, and we're gonna ride around the island, show you another stunning miraduros along the way. If you have any questions, please feel free to engage down at the comments. We are visiting first Miraduro and then from here finally reaching the mysterious abandoned hotel. We were trying to sneak into the hotel, but we only found a danger sign. That didn't work out, but here is a little tree. Maybe I can get in through here. Nice work! This hotel is well known thanks to the series on Netflix Turn Off the Tide.
What the fuck is that?
Your drugs. Look. The rest is inside the van.
Crazy. It almost felt like a déjà vu walking around. I can see a great vision and potential of this hotel. It is such a stunning location. Somebody dreams being really crashed here. MONTE Palace was a 5-star hotel. However, it's been abandoned since 1990 and was only open for 18 months. MONTE Palace received the award for being Portugal's finest hotel the same week that it closed its door for good. What was once one of the most luxurious achievements of these islands is now in a deteriorated state that one cannot imagine unless seeing it themselves.
Open your hand, open your hand. You're all right.
That would be awesome to have a dinner here on the balcony, a beer with a view.
At the beginning we thought that this hotel just haven't been finished, but when we found out that it was the most luxury hotel in this place and it's been finished, we were absolutely shocked. However, I heard rumors that China wants to take over this place and rebuild it back into its glory. This project been postponed, unfortunately, because of COVID, and we hope that with growing tourism, this place will come back to life. For adrenaline seekers, Sete Cidades offers the opportunity to go paragliding. Soaring above the picturesque landscape and feeling the wind in your hair is an experience like no other. It's definitely not for the faint-hearted, but the panoramic views make it all worth it. And why is it called Sete Cidades? It literally translates as 7 cities. However, Cidades is actually derived from the Latin word civitas, meaning a collective of citizens within a community. We decided to have a hike around the lakes, and the views were simply spectacular. From the top we could see the entire crater and its magnificent water-filled caldera. The contrasting colors of the lakes and the surrounding landscape were absolutely mesmerizing.
So yeah, I reckon like for us, because we live in Darwin anyway, you know, in the tropics, the weather is good all the time. But let's say somebody from Europe coming here and, you know, all year they're waiting for the sun and all that, and then they come here and it's not really sunny and holiday, you know.
As we arrived, we couldn't help but be in awe of the stunning twin lakes that give Sete Cidades its name. The blue lake and the green lake are like something out of a fairy tale, surrounded by lush green hills and colorful hydrangeas. The well-known legend of Sete Cidades tells the story of a blue-eyed princess who tried to live a forbidden love with a green-eyed shepherd. I didn't pick this one, I found it. It is said that the princess was scrolling through the kingdom of Sete Cidades when she saw the shepherd and fell in love with him at first sight. The news reached to the king, who wanted to see his daughter married to a prince of a neighboring kingdom. This quickly forbade the princess to continue the relationship with the pastor. The princess and the pastor met in a secret for the very last time and cried together for their sad circumstance. It was the same tears that filled the valley. The blue lake reflects the color of the princess's eyes, and the other pond the green color of the shepherd's eyes. We were very hungry, and so we found a nice restaurant close by, and we tried another local delicacy. What do you feel like making?
What do I feel like? I feel like a human.
Thank you!
Thank you.
We ordered famous Portuguese muffin BOLO LEVEDO.
So that's some traditional Portuguese muffin.
Enjoy!
You have to have proof that I eat carbs
Definitely.
and drink beer.
Yes. We are passing through a small town, Sete Cidades. It is one of the smallest parishes of Ponta Delgada by population, although the largest in the area. Just a random view spot along the way. Let's keep going. Now we are heading closer to the ocean and check the first stunning Miraduro. We are entering a small village called Mosteiros. Its population is 1,123 people in the area of 8.95 square kilometers.
Which one would you like?
Magnum sandwich, please. We came here mainly to discover how local people live here. We used the opportunity to have a small break and a nice ice cream date. This place was very peaceful and great for relaxation on the beach. It was only around 1480 that the first people began to settle this part of the island. The community of Mosteiros was built on ancestral fishing for many years, even as its territory was cultivated by farmers. It's a very popular parish in the summer, both by residents of the island, but also foreign tourists. The ideal place for these who love a coastal and the sea whenever for bathing or fishing. You can also kayak along the coast.
Could we have one blue Azorian and one ocean blue? I reckon a few more years and this is gonna be like all prime real estate here.
On the way back, we were very itchy for more adventure. We turned away from the main road and we found this beautiful farm area. Let us know in the comments down below if you would like to know where to find this spectacular place. The whole day today was just incredible. My heart was full of joy from this beautiful island. It doesn't matter where you go, it's so beautiful everywhere. Last Miraduro along the way, we made our way back to Ponta Delgada. Thank you so much for watching. It's been great to have you on board. Next week, I'm going to take you to amazing hot springs. This park is called Caldeira Velha and it's located next to another volcanic lake. We are going to swim in these healing volcanic waters, take a crazy bus ride in this unpredictable weather, try new food and visit some of the local volcanic beaches. Please subscribe to my channel so you do not miss out on the next adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please share with your friends. It will help us to make you more interesting videos next time. Leave me a comment down below if you have any questions, and I will look forward to see you here next week. Have a wonderful day. Bye!